Welcome once again. Let's talk about SUI coin. Wow, can this coin hit $50, $100, $200? I know, let's assume I was doing this video as of 2020 or 2021 with Solana, when Solana was trading at 50 cents or let's say at $1. I know if I was doing this video then about Solana, some people were like, you mean Solana will reach $200? How possible is this? And I believe by then I will even be saying it might hit that $200 in 3 to 5 years. But sorry, Solana was able to break that point within 1 year, hitting $260 within the space of 1 year. If you doubt me, the Google is there. If you doubt me, CoinMarketCap is there. If you doubt me, go and check on CoinGecko. What is the history, the trading statistics of this coin? So the same thing right now, maybe in the next 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, someone will be saying, I watched a video that was saying SUI might hit $50. Today the coin is trading at already $100. Maybe, but we hope so. So definitely SUI is one of the top coins, top 100 as of the time of recording this. Now I believe this coin have all the strategies, all the statistics, all the background, all the support, okay, to become one of the top crypto coins. That's a possibility for $50 price. Imagine the market cap right now is still not trading. It doesn't have huge market cap, just about 349, let's say $350 million market cap as of the time of trading days. Over $300 million market cap. Okay, then the coin started dropping in terms of market cap. But at the time of trading this, I believe that if the market cap of SUI hits $15 billion, we might be surprised to see the coin trading between $10 to $50 price. Okay, and also don't forget, right now the coin is still trading at 54 cents. So imagine this coin trading at $50. If you invest $100 right now, you might be getting, let's say, $110, $105. You might end up getting about 50 coins of SUI. And imagine the coin trading at $50. It means for every $10, you have $500 profit. And for every 50 coins, you have, for every 10 coins, you have $500. And for every 50 coins, you should be having about $2,500 profit. That means if I'm investing $100 right now, I might be gaining $2,500 if this coin hits. What am I saying? It's even much. The calculation is wrong. Yes, $100 definitely should be giving you about 200 coins. So imagine trading at $50. You get almost $5,000 to $50,000. That should be about $50,000 profit rather. You see, the calculation was even wrong. So this is good for a coin like this. You really need to check the statistics of this coin. Buy one or few coins, but don't buy much. Please don't invest much on SUI. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.